We're just going to wait for Caitlin to get a chair. It's just right here. But she forgot to put it out over here so that we could see her. Because we got Snack Nation. Snack Nation. Snack Nation is $1 a month. There is a $4 shipping fee, so that makes $5 a month. But that is only if you do the survey afterwards. If you do not do the survey, it's $10. Just so you know. So they kind of get you. But just make sure to do the survey, and it's only $5. And I believe there's 6 different healthy snack options in this box. Hold on, Pandora. So we have the Snack Nation and then keto. My keto box. I got the keto box, y'all. That's a whole nother. This is about Snack Nation. Let's stay on track, Christine. Okay, yeah. Snack Nation. So we're gonna open her up. I did just, do the little clip thing here, the tape. So I'm gonna open it up, and I can't see what it says.
Tag your favorite Snack Nation discovery like it always does.
Oh, okay. And this one is Feeding America. It's
always there.
Okay, give yourself a pat on the back as a Snack Nation member. You're providing healthy meals to families. They do the different colors, and it's hard for me to see.
It's white and dark blue.
I know, but it's hard for me to see because at first I thought that was purple. It's just my eyes are all screwed up. We all know that, all right?
Wait, what color am I?
You're funny. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I can't see it, but y'all can. All right, so now,
Can I pick a thing first?
just can we open the box first? Oh my Lord.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Okay, so, this month I'm learning how to, oh yeah, they did that last month too. And then it says get $5 off of your next box. Complete the survey by the 25th and you save $5. So technically it's a $10 box, but you save $5 by doing the survey.
It's yogurt.
Ah.
Maybe one first.
Hold on. So that's what's in there right now. So here's the deal. Y'all know I do keto. And I am not supposed to break my fast until 2. Really?
Apparently.
However,
my daughter is very loud.
I might take a nibble of some of them. As long as I stay under 50 calories, I believe, I'm still fasting. So we're just gonna blur that line just a smidge. So, you want to pick something?
Yes. Okay, sweetie. Thank you. I'm going to pick this weird honey peanut butter yogurt thing.
Okay. Most of these, Caitlin keeps them. I don't eat them.
So, it says roasted peanut honey, but it's yogurt. There we go. Alright. We have to squish it.
You have to squish it?
Squish it.
Oh.
Why don't you pick a thing while
All
I'm
right.
squishing?
Yeah, you squish. Okay, I'm just going to dive into this. So this says it is a soft baked cookie. Oh, sorry about that, guys. And it's by Flapjacked. 20% off. Okay. So there's that. It's 180 calories for this one bar.
Oh my god.
Woo! I'm not going to have any of this one, you guys. I'm sorry. This is 31 carbs, 2 of which are dietary, 10 are straight up sugar. Damn. Oh, that's one of your favorites. Here, you want to try this? It's a chocolate bar. Here, just take a bite.
A cookie. Like a brownie.
Yeah, it's a cookie. It says probiotic and probiotics.
It's a weird tasting brownie.
It's weird tasting. Yeah, I'm not seeing like any.
Like it's good until the aftertaste.
Oh. This is dark chocolate.
It's got that fake sugar taste.
Probiotic. It's got cornstarch in it. Rice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, I can't have that. That would throw me straight up out of ketosis.
Let's see that real quick.
It's got like 30-something carbohydrates. That's insane. Did you pick something else, or are you still working on?
You can.
Did you try it?
No. Okay, there's something weird in that.
Is there? Does
Yeah.
it have a funny taste to it?
No, my mouth is being weird.
What do you mean it's
Kinda
being weird?
numbish.
Numb?
Kind of like how I eat kiwis.
Well, put it down. Maybe Daddy will like it. I don't know. Huh. Alright, so this one is 250 calories. 14 grams of carbs. Okay, this one's not as bad. This one is the cultured snack. Do you need some water or something? Probiotic
Okay.
peanut
I'm
blend.
fine.
11 grams of protein. Alright, well, let's try this one. This is a roasted peanut honey. You should be okay with this. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's just a peanut butter. Huh? Oh, just put it on your finger. You came out of my womb. Get over it. It's just a peanut butter that you would like spread on jelly or on a piece of bread. Okay. This one is Royal Hawaiian. Oh, these are mine.
I know, I was waiting for you to. Okay, next.
Hold on. These are sea salt macadamia nuts. I can have these. So the packet is a serving. There is 2 grams of carbs. I can have these.
You know, we should try them real quick.
Oh yeah, I'm going to try one.
I want to try one.
I'm trying not to break my fast, remember?
Never tasted these before.
Yes, you have. He was lying. Where's my little scissors? Oh, I'm going to have these for a snack later. Here. Hey,
I'm
you're
not doing
supposed to
anything.
show them.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Did you tell them what it was?
No.
So this is the
Lotus.
Lotus biscotti cookies. I said biscotti. It's biscotti. Oh, you're right. Biscoff.
Yeah.
Biscoff. It's a European flavored. Europe's flavor.
Favorite
Blah.
cookie with coffee.
Yeah, what she said. I love these things. I can't have that though. So it doesn't even matter. All right. Ba-dum-bum-bum. So ZZ's grams, whole grain. So these are like just the cookies.
Oh, take blue.
So so this is one serving. The bag is one serving. Damn, 21 carbs. Okay, take a bite. Put these down. Those you're gonna keep. That we're going to give to Daddy, hopefully. Oh, these were, I wonder if, oh, 5 grams of protein. Oh. Let me have a little one. I'll have a little one.
Oh, I've got a whole one.
I don't want a whole one. I just want a little piece. Yeah.
Alright, we're here. Is, I guess, a unicorn.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, hold that up.
Okay. I'm gonna bite its head off.
Yep. It's a graham cracker.
Tasty.
It is good. Okay. So this next one is Puff Works Original Peanut Butter Puffs. Simply delicious. It is an organic peanut butter. It says that it has 5 grams of protein per serving. The bag is 1 serving, 180 calories, 10 fiber, 16 carbs, 2 of which are dietary, so 14 carbs for this one bag.
I got cookie all over my kitty.
Oh, I was going to show you guys. So that's what she looks like.
Yeah, we're just sitting here.
And I know that one of the other YouTubers just got her box too. I want to say just Nina.
Look at my kitty.
Just got her box, and I did not watch her video. She already knows that, because I wasn't sure if we would get the same thing. And so it'll be kind of nice to know if they actually send out different boxes or if everybody just gets the same box or what.
She's holding on my arm. She's all spoiled. I like this. Oh, I'll take one.
You want to try it? Oh, I was going to take that, but not if she's going to lick it.
Taylor doesn't like it.
Do you like it? There's no flavor.
No.
There's the peanut butter.
No.
Oh, that's kind of...
It's a no from us.
If you like peanut butter and you like puffs, you'll like this. But it's not very sweet, which is kind of interesting.
Taylor and I say no.
I'll at least finish that. I don't want food left over. Just put it in your mouth, deal with it. I know Jeremy won't like those, so I'm kind of sad that we even opened that. That could have gone to somebody else.
It's not bad. I'll eat them.
Okay. Hopefully Jeremy will eat this. Maybe I can like bag it up and he can put it in his jump bag or something. Hopefully.
Look at her tongue.
The macadamia nuts are mine.
These are mine.
And then Caitlin's got, of course, the graham crackers and the peanut butter and the cookies. Yeah. She's almost 18. Uh-huh.
Graham cracker. You were never too old to keep the graham crackers. That's my arm, honey.
She biting you? Oh yes, there she goes. This is like Jekyll and Hyde cat. No joke. She could be all lovey-dovey and like purring on you and loving on you, and like that. She
You spooked her.
Oh hell no! You in that crazy mode right now? No ma'am.
She's just a sweet little.
Okay, that was our Snack Nation box. That was pretty good. That was a good one. I can't wait for my keto box though. I'm telling you, that's going to be exciting as hell.
I am not tasting that.
That's good because it's not for you. So, anyway, Snack Nation, thank you. That was awesome. I have to do the survey so that I don't get charged another $5.
Oh, they've got names.
What do you mean they've got names?
Each of them have a name.
Oh, the characters have names on the cookies?
I ate Zuni's head.
She ate Zuni's head. All right, you want to go do the thing? All right, y'all. This girl is weird. Until next time. See y'all later. Bye.